You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I know it's a bit confusing, I get confused by it too. The verb is imagine, okay? The pronunciation here is similar with an ng sound at the end. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar, as imagining, ning. The stress is on the ma syllable, the second syllable, imagining, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.